Hello guys, and welcome back to a new tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to turn your design or your image from looking like this to this, and we're going to break down how to make it step by step in this video. So please don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials, and let's go! First, after we bring the player image and a background, which you will find in the Ultimate Pack on Gumroad, we're going to start by the level adjustment layer to decrease the brightness of the player we have here. This because the rim lights, it will be very harder to apply it if the player is more brighter. So it's a matter of contrast. That's why in this case we used the level adjustment layer. You can use exposure, brightness and contrast, but I choose to use levels here. So as you can see, I adjusted it until it looks perfect. Now we're going to use the same curve adjustment layer, but this time it's going to be the opposite of the previous one. It's going to increase the lights on the face of the player on the right side of the screen, left side of the player, and we're going to repeat the same process. Layer mask and start drawing step by step all the areas like this, and yeah. For the skin tone, The best one, and the one I usually use, is selective color. From here, you select the selective color adjustment layer and adjust the colors. Select every single color and adjust it until it looks good, as you can see. Now, the important part is the rim lights, which a lot of people find it hard, but it's pretty simple actually. First thing, we make a hue and saturation and click colorize and adjust it to look like a light coming from the side. And here's the part that you should focus on, is where to draw. This thing will decide if your rim light will look more professional and realistic, as you can see here. I believe this 3D model and references will help you to understand where you should draw the rim lights exactly. I will leave the link in the description. Now I'm going to continue the drawing. You can slow down the video if you want to see more details. Now we're going to add solid color layer with a dark color. This will make the rim lights pop up more and help you match the player colors with the background. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.